Your adventure begins with a flexible pickup from your hotel, Toronto Pearson Airport, or Niagara Falls. Travel in comfort with our personalized tours in meticulously maintained luxury vehicles for a seamless experience. Once on board, we head to the stunning Canadian side of Niagara Falls for the Voyage to the Falls boat tour. A thrilling ride right into the heart of the majestic falls. After the boat ride, enjoy lunch and free time exploring Niagara Falls and Clifton Hill, followed by a scenic drive along the Niagara Parkway, showcasing stunning views of the river and natural beauty. For adventure seekers, experience the thrilling Niagara Falls Whirlpool Tours. Choose the dry Whirlpool Freedom Jet or the exciting wet jet tour, riding the wild Niagara River rapids. Step behind the powerful curtain of water with our Journey Behind the Falls experience. Walk through the tunnels to witness the thunderous power of Niagara Falls from within. Enhance your visit with a trip up the Skylon Tower for stunning views, or explore the Niagara Falls Power Station on our walking tours, combining history, beauty, and adventure. Experience breathtaking views with the Niagara Falls Canada Helicopter Tour. Soar above the falls and surrounding landscape for a stunning aerial perspective that will leave you in awe. We offer day, evening, and private tours from various Greater Toronto locations. Choose from best value, small group custom, or ultra-private tours tailored to your needs. Our tours offer more than just the falls. Explore Niagara-On-The-Lake, visit the iconic Floral clock, take in Queenston Heights views, and enjoy a winery tour sampling the region's finest wines. Dine in style at the Skylon Tower revolving dining room, where you can savor a delicious meal with breathtaking views of Niagara Falls. After a day filled with unforgettable moments, we'll drop you off at your hotel, specified location, or even at the airport. Explore Niagara Falls with helicopter rides, boat cruises, and private tours. Book for October 2024 and create lasting memories. Like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Happy travels!